In this video, you are going to see how to make a matrix in Google Docs, as you can see here. Let's get started. To make the matrix, let us go to Insert, go to Table, and let us choose a 5 by 1 table. Let me select the table, go to over here the table option. Go to Color and increase the width of the border. Now let us select these three cells, go to column, click on column width and change it to 0.6. Now let us select this one and click on column width and make it 0.3. Select this one, click on column width and make it 0.3. Right here your matrix. Now select the text, make it bold, increase the font size like this. Let us select this border, hold down the Ctrl key and select this border like this. Now go to over here border color and make it no color. Select it and from here make it center alignment, and this is looking perfect. Now if you want to move it, just select it and you can move it anywhere. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.